going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm back out in the woods again, just out here hanging out and enjoying the day. Been having trouble keeping this fire going because some of it was damp. And this place right here, it's a nice spot, but it was all trashed when I got here. I went ahead and I picked it all up, and it was scattered all over there, and all around right here by me, and it was just really bad. And it's like, I don't understand why people do that, you know. And it looks like they'd had it bagged up, but then like animals ripped it apart or something, and so it wasn't good. But I got it all cleaned up, and it looks so much better. I mean, so much better. I'm really hungry, so it's about time to cook some food. I think I'm just gonna make a burger and then heat up some rice and call it good. All right, guys, it is time. The burger's gonna be big. Yeah, it's gonna be big. So get it all fixed up here. Get it in the pan, my friends. Get it in the pan, my friends. Oh no, I used the last bit of my cheese. I shouldn't have ate that last piece by itself. Some butter to butter the bread when I toast the bread. Some seasoning for the burger. It's just barbecue seasoning. Some rice and the bread. All right, I need to put some seasoning on it. It's time to turn over. Oh yeah. It's gonna take just a little bit to cook because it's a pretty thick burger. A little bit of seasoning on this side. It's been a good day. I do have to go back to work tomorrow. It's almost over, guys. It's almost over. What do y'all like, mustard or mayonnaise? I like mayonnaise. I don't like Miracle Whip. I like the real mayonnaise, like real mayonnaise. You know what? I could probably, let's see, maybe I can put a piece of bread like right there, right? A little bit of butter. If you're gonna toast the bread, you might as well put butter on it. Oh yeah. Even if the camera wasn't on me right now, this is still what I'd be doing out here, right? Like, this is what I would be doing. Got some shredded cheese. I'll melt some of that on top of it. Turn the bread over. Oh, that's nice and toasted. Oh yeah, baby. So, you flip this burger. Then, I'm gonna melt some cheese on top of it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's just sharp cheddar from Dollar General. Oh yeah. This thing, oh, that's done. A little bit of butter on this piece of bread. Put this one in there. I'm so happy right now. Just being, finally, I just like being away. I'm getting ready to, I have to start being around people a little more. You know, I come out here because, you know, like, I do need to get away, but, you know, and then I need to film, make a video, you know, like this morning, part of me was like, man, really we should just go into town and see everybody. And but like, I was so worried about like getting a video out, you know. But also I do love being out here. Sometimes we just need people. We need to be around people. I talk about that a lot, I know, but you know, it is what it is. And I got pokey thingies in my pants. I lost my drone earlier, guys. I lost my drone. It fell and I had to look for it, and it messed up one of the leg things on it. I mean, it's still usable, but It sucks. Let's try it out and see what we got going on. I'm gonna eat some of the rice first. It's good. We're gonna try the burger. 3, 2, 1, go. That's good. I'm gonna sit here and eat and enjoy my food. Got a dog running that way. Freaked me out because I came out of the van. The dog was just like right here. I was like, what the? I don't know. You know, it just kind of spooked me. I was like, what is that? He's way down there now. Got some coffee. I sit here by the fire because it's kind of chilly today, so it's winter. I'm here by the fire and stay warm. So anyway, hope y'all are doing all right. Let's see what time it is. It's 2:35. So I'm gonna sit here by the fire for just a little bit. I'll see y'all in just a little bit. What's going on, everybody? I ended up taking a nap. I was really tired, and so I laid down and ended up passing out. That's okay though. I came out here and rebuilt the fire a little bit, sit here by the fire, and just kind of hang out for just a bit before I leave. It's so nice. I should get some kind of Christmas decorations and put in my van. Like maybe some lights or something. I don't know. Anyway, I'm trying to decide what to do with that trash that's sitting over there. I really don't want to put that bag in my van. But I also don't want to leave it here for that dog that was here earlier to get a hold of and drag all over the place again. Oh yeah. I can keep the fire going for a little bit longer. Then we're gonna have to go. And this day in the woods is gonna be over. It's getting dark. The sky is just got that really bright star right there. I would attempt to show you, but it probably wouldn't show up on the camera. Let's try it. Look at the sky, guys. Does that look awesome? Yeah, see the bright star right there? Oh, wow. The sky looks freaking cool, dude. Nice. I can only imagine what it's gonna be like out on the road. Hope everybody has a great Christmas this year. And I know sometimes holidays can be hard for some people. Some people just don't have family around or people that they're close to or anything like that. And then, so I understand, like, it can be hard. I remember back when it was pretty hard. The holidays weren't that great, right? So, but now they don't have to be that way. I don't have to be alone. I don't have to be, sad. Thanks to a fellowship and the family that I do have, I don't have to be alone, I got people I can call, I got people I can go see, and I'm good, you know what I'm saying? So, and that's just great. Grateful for, right? That's right. Mm-hmm. All right, guys, I'm gonna bring this video to an end right here, and I hope everybody's having a good night, and we'll see y'all soon. I will see y'all soon, and but until the next time, later.